Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by confirming prerequisites: account, Robux, and the target game open. Once those are ready, travel to the exact map location where the blue aura appears. This could be a shop, chest, or boss drop. You should check your inventory space and unequip conflicting items now so nothing blocks the new aura. Make sure to note any time windows or event prompts. They often determine availability. From here, approach the spawn point and prepare to trigger the interaction. Once done with setup, you execute the interaction that yields the blue aura. You may need to click and hold, defeat a guardian, or finish a short quest. Follow the in-game prompt precisely. Make sure you meet conditional requirements like level, completed quest, or being the correct team, otherwise the aura will not drop. You should watch for visual cues, glow effects, countdown timers, or a confirmation message, because they signal successful activation. If multiplayer is involved, coordinate with teammates to avoid stealing the spawn. You finalize by accepting and equipping the blue aura immediately when prompted. Check the appearance or power menu to confirm it's active. Once equipped, test a simple action to see the visual effect. If nothing appears, relog or rejoin the server and inspect your inventory. Sometimes latency prevents instant delivery. Make sure your game is updated, and if the aura remains missing, retry at the next spawn window. One key troubleshooting tip: clear conflicting temporary buffs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.